Huh?
Full time?
Yeah.
Full time daw.
Oh, okay, so you're professional.
They have lots of car for rent, right?
Yes.
Literally tissue. Hello, Las Casas. Finally. Can I take a video of you explaining the map?
Yung pong ilog nilalakbay natin, natural river naman po ito. Bali tubig po ito nanggagaling po ng bundok ng Mount Native. Yan, lumalabas nga po sa dagat. Kaya po tinawag na brackish water kasi nagmimix po yung tubig alat at tubig taba. Yan ang po yung simbahan, ginaya po sa Balanga City, Bataan.
Ah, this one?
St. Joseph Batang Silis ko lang. Sa mga nagamit sa mga wedding.
Ah.
Minsan na rin po tuwing linggo, 10:30 ng umaga. Kasama lang ang pamilya.
No, it's not replica. It's literally uprooted from the original location, piece by piece.
Pansin niyo po yung nakakapit po sa tagiliran po ng bahay po ng dating parang wings po. Parang po. Kumbaga tapos yung punta po sa dati.
Yes.
Oh, now I get it.
Bahay na kaya.
Yeah, but they collected them and
Walang
put
talaga
together
sa ilog
here.
niya. Dati maliit na ilog.
So that's why it's called Las Casas Filipinas.
Bago rin po.
Houses of the Philippines.
Pag anong araw.
That is back in the water.
Yeah.
Nasa gitna po tawag po doon kasi po madalas gawin din sa mga prenup at proposal.
Ayan.
Pero wala siyang connection, no? Kailangan mag-back up.
Babaka.
Magpropose ka lang muna.
Babahay na nila yan.
Sa mga nakasilman. Pag yung apat na bali may balik pinanggalingan. Galing Pasay, Malapon, pabalsa kasi walang access na bridge para mapunta.
Ito po.
Kasi yung lugar po niya sa Katnaba laging binabaka.
Ah.
Kaya ginaya ang mga sa pangkanak.
Wow. Grabe. Akit ba tayo dito?
So wala nakatira dito po yan? Wala. Parang gagawin po itong restaurant.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Bababa tayo? This place could only be accessed by boat. Nice.
Sa Estero de Binondo sa Manila.
Ito?
Yung study po sa Bilis Canal.
Okay.
original parts, and that includes the stair, that's the original. The ceiling over there po, that's also original. All of the doors here at the second floor are original. So during that time po, he is with Lucia. Because in the year 1908 to 1926, this house became the first building of the University of the Philippines School of Fine Arts, wherein the first director of it is also the owner of this house. Okay? And this is also where some of our national artists practice their skills in painting, like Fernando Amorsolo, Carlos Gotong Francisco, and Guillermo Tolentino. On the right side of that beam, you're not complete. You see that, the small white square as like this? Lagi po, that small white square po, no, that is only the cover of our old CCTV. Okay? And when you remove the cover, yes po, it's just a peephole. Okay? Peephole that really used by the owner of this house to see the one who is knocking in his door. Okay? And from that hole, you will see clearly like HD CCTV who is the visitor here. That's why it is really HD.
Bastonero.
And this one called Trinzate Paa. Okay? And they use it like this. And they put the dress here, they hold the dress here. Then they put it here. Then the other one here, and one foot here. Then the other foot here, and like this. So this is how they iron their clothes po before, okay? And it also serves as the exercise of the Filipinos po before. That's why before the Filipinos, they were really slim or sexy. Because before they finish one cloth, it takes 3 to 4 hours.
Wow.
And that's why they were so sexy before.
Kabili nga, pa-sexy pala yun.
If you are looking for this kind of flat iron, or a chamber pot or a pipa, But I'm not going to demo this one, so let's move to the next one. Don't open this up, there's still inside this one.
This is all
Careful lang po, no? Fat and love when combined together, it gets beautiful when being taken off, but it deteriorates when neglected. In each of the houses here have their own feelings and characters. There's also money in rush in protecting our nature and environment. Okay? So once again, my name is John Patrick, your tour guide, and this is our Las Casas Filipinas de Abusar, our pride in the past and hope for the future. And thanks for joining my tour. I hope you enjoy our tour and enjoy your stay here in Las Casas.
Yay! Thank you!
At sana, napaniwala ko po kayo sa
Naniwala naman kami.